Welcome back to the channel and to the finished video on the Hyundai i10 Active. If you've not seen the first video, we'll put a link in the corner where you can go and see the damage that was there before, but it is now fully repaired, it's got a brand new MOT and it's ready for sale. Along with the new MOT, the car has just had a full service. It only has just covered over 51,000 miles. It has such features as power steering, remote central locking, electric windows front and rear, and electric mirrors. If you do have any comments on this build or any of the others, feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below, or you can email me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. We do thank you for watching the videos. Do give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the channel to help us out, and keep an eye out for any upcoming videos, and we'll see you soon in the next video.